Hebrews 3:19. So we see that they could not enter in because of their unbelief. We need to release faith so that we can accept God as our divine protector and provision. He is the provider. He will provide for us. We do not need to labor to put food on the table. It was His original plan, and we are now transforming back to that place. Hebrews 4:2, Paul continues, For unto us was the gospel preached, listen very carefully, as well as unto them. But the word preached did not profit them, not being mixed with faith in them that heard it. You can listen to my word now, and you can tell yourself, what a beautiful message. You can tell yourself to gather this information, but if you do not mix what I am saying today with faith and go into your dominion rest, it will profit nothing. For we which have believed to enter into that rest is the katapausis, it is the Noach rest. As I have sworn in my wrath, if they shall enter into my rest, although the works were finished from the foundation of the world. This is really the core of this message. From the foundation of the world, it was God's intention to create man, to put him in a place of rest, that he will never work. But because of the fall, man needs to work in his sweat of his labor. But then the Lord reversed the curse on the cross, and now He invites you, come back to the mountains of Ararat. Noah, come into the rest. It is to cease now from your labor. But because of unbelief, many will not enter. You have to release faith and mix it with this message Paul wrote.